In this video, I'll show you how to connect MetaMask to a Ledger hardware wallet. First, open the Ledger Live app and make sure your Ledger device is up to date. Connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer, unlock it with your PIN, and open the Ethereum app on the device. Next, open the MetaMask browser extension and unlock your wallet. Click the account icon in the top right corner, then select Add Account or Hardware Wallet. Choose Hardware Wallet, then select Ledger as your device. Now, MetaMask will ask for permission to connect to your Ledger device. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep the Ethereum app open on your Ledger hardware wallet. After a few moments, MetaMask will display the available Ledger accounts. After that, select the Ledger account you want to import into MetaMask and click Unlock or Connect. The selected account will appear alongside your existing MetaMask accounts, but your private keys will remain securely stored on your Ledger hardware wallet. Finally, test the connection by selecting your Ledger account in MetaMask. Whenever you send a transaction using that account, MetaMask will prepare the transaction, and your Ledger device will ask you to review and approve it before it is signed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect MetaMask to a Ledger hardware wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.